Hi guys, this is a triple brackets lesson. It's expanding and simplifying. It would be a higher paid question, I believe, but you would need to check with your teacher. Now, I use the FOIL method. I will be doing the grid method on the next video, so you can choose which one you feel is most suitable to yourself. First thing you need to do is deal with two brackets. Now, it's entirely up to you if you want to use those two or those two. It's your choice. I just always use these two brackets. So we're going to start timesing them out. So I've got x squared plus 2x plus x plus 2. Simplify that. Plus 3x plus 2. So that's our new bracket. And then we add on our one at the end, which is x plus 3. So that's it. That's everything that we need. So now using the FOIL method, I'm going to do exactly the same, but we're going x squared to 3. And then you're going to go 3x to x, 3x to 3, and so on. So we have x cubed plus 3x squared plus 3x squared plus 9x plus 2x plus 6. Now we're going to simplify it. Now we've expanded it out. So the biggest square goes at the front. Index number, plus 3x squared plus 3x squared gives us plus 6x squared plus 11x plus 6. So there's our answer. So we've expanded and simplified all those. Same again. So we're going to do x squared plus 5x minus 2x minus 10. Put it in our new bracket. So it's going to be x squared plus 5x minus 2x is plus 3x minus 10. Put our new brackets at the end. And start again. So we have x squared times 2x. It's going to be 2x cubed. X squared times minus 1 is going to be minus x squared. 3x times 2x is going to be plus 6x squared minus 3x minus 20x. That becomes a plus. Because we times that and minus and minus. And then simplify it. So we've got 2x cubed, plus 5x squared minus 23x plus 10. Next one, same again. I'm going to choose those as I do. So we've got 2x squared minus 3x plus 14x minus 21. Pop it in our new bracket. So it's 2x squared plus 11x minus 21. And our new bracket, which is 5x minus 1. Do the same. So I've got 10x cubed minus 2x squared minus 55x squared minus 11x minus 105 x plus 21. Same again, minus and minus. When you times it out, it's a plus. Be careful with that. So now we're going to pop them all together. Biggest indice at the front. It's 53 x squared plus 11, 116x. And we have 1 plus 21. And then finally, we're going to go this way again. And I'm going to do x times 3x, which is going to be 2x squared minus x minus 6x. And that's going to be a plus 3. Simplify it, 2x squared minus 7x plus 3. Bring over the bracket down. And start the process again. And so on. So what we're left with is 6x cubed minus 4x squared minus 21x squared plus 14x plus 9x minus 6. See, this time that there isn't a negative and a negative. It literally is a plus and a negative. So it stays a negative. Simplify it. Biggest power at the front and so on. So we've got 6x cubed minus 25x squared plus 23x minus 6. So as you can see, it can get tricky and you've got to make sure that you're following and checking as you go along because there's lots of numbers, there's lots of letters flying around. You don't want to put a negative here, for example, and ruin the question and getting the question wrong. Okay? Go to my next video on these. This will be with the grids method. As I said, I'm not a fan myself, but you may find it so much easier than this. Okay? Bye.